Hello and welcome to our English classes. Today our lesson is dialogue. We're going to learn some small dialogues. Ok, bonjour et bienvenue à nos cours d'anglais. Aujourd'hui nous allons apprendre, ou bien notre leçon d'aujourd'hui sont des petits dialogues avec des expressions très utiles. You learn some useful expressions in it. Okay, let's go. The first one, Abdul is say, look at this new car. Look at this new car. Abdul, look at this new car. Abdul, look at this new car. Bonjour Abdul. Regarde cette nouvelle voiture. Hello Abdul, look at this new car. Bonjour Abdul. Regarde cette nouvelle voiture. Hello, donc you can say it is formal, but hi is informal. Hello, look at this new car. It's my father's car. It's my father's car. It's my father's car. C'est la voiture de mon père. It's my father's car. There is someone who said it. It's my father's car. Or you can say, it's the car of my father. It's the same. C'est la même chose. It's my father's car. Et it's the car of my father. C'est la même chose. Donc ça, on a une possession. Wow, you are lucky. Wow, you are lucky. Wow, you lucky. Wow, tu es chanceux ou bien wow, tu as de la chance. You are lucky. Yes. It's a Peugeot. It's a big car. Yes, it's a Peugeot and it's a big car. On est que c'est un Peugeot. C'est une grande voiture. It's a big car. Big car veut dire grande voiture. You know my father's car is 400 or 405. It's a blue car. Tu sais, la voiture de mon père est 405. C'est une voiture bleue. Ami say, oh, you lucky. Ami, you lucky. You are lucky ou bien you lucky. Tu as de la chance. Ami, tu as de la chance. Donc, Abdul said it to Ami. Another one. Where are your friends? Where are your friends? Where are your friends? Où sont tes amis? Where are your friends? Where are your friends? This is another dialogue. Donc c'est un nouveau dialogue. They are in the park of Nyakolakaba. They are in the park of Nyakolakaba. Ils sont dans le parc de Nyakolakaba. They are in the park of Nyakolakaba. Question. What are they doing there? What are they doing there? What are they doing there? Qu'est-ce qu'ils font là-bas? What are they doing there? Qu'est-ce qu'ils font là-bas? They want to visit the park. They want to visit the park. They want to visit the park. Ils veulent visiter le parc. Ils veulent visiter le parc. Le parc. They want to visit the park. To visit, c'est visiter. Are there many animals? Are there many animals? Donc, ça veut dire, y a-t-il beaucoup d'animaux là-bas? Y a-t-il beaucoup d'animaux? Are there many animals? Are there many animals? Many, ça veut dire beaucoup. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Oui, bien sûr. Oui, bien sûr. What are the animals? What type of animals? Or what are the animals? Quels sont les animaux? What are the animals do you have there? You can say it. What are the animals? And he said, the animals are tigers, lions, elephants, monkeys, snakes, etc. Les animaux sont, donc les tigres, on a les tigres là-bas, lions, éléphants, singes et des serpents. The animals are tigers, lions. Yeah. Look at these long snakes. Look at this long snake. Regarde ce long serpent. Regarde ce long serpent. Look at this long snake. Look at these lions and monkeys. Look at these lions and monkeys. Look at these lions and monkeys. Regarde ces lions, ces singes. Look at, ça veut dire regarder. Look at these lions and monkeys. Regarde ces lions et ces singes. What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal? Quel est ton animal préféré? What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal? If you want to know someone's preference, you can say what is your favorite. Here we have what is your favorite animal. Donc the answer, my favorite animal is donkey. My favorite animal is donkey. Mon animal préféré est l'âne. Mon animal préféré est l'âne. My favorite animal is donkey. You can say my favorite animal is sheep. Another one, which animals do you afraid of? Which animals are you afraid of? I'm sorry. Which animals are you afraid of? De quels animaux as-tu peur? De quels animaux as-tu peur? Which animals are you afraid of? To be afraid of, ça veut dire donc avoir peur de quelque chose. I am afraid of monkeys and lions. I am afraid of monkeys and lions. Lions. J'ai peur des singes et des lions. I am afraid of monkeys and lions. J'ai peur des singes et des lions. N'oubliez surtout pas de vous abonner et d'activer la cloche de notification pour ne rater aucune de nos prochaines vidéos. Okay guys, thank you and take care of yourself. See you in another class for new lessons, new expressions, new vocabularies and grammar rules. Thank you and take care of yourself. Have a nice weekend. Have a nice day. Thank you. Take care of yourself.